What will happen if a superior intelligence looks at humanity and realizes we are no longer necessary to its purpose?
For thousands of years, intelligence placed humans above every other creature. But when AI surpasses us, the question is no longer how dangerous it is, but where humanity will stand in the world it is creating. We built AI to support us, to replace tasks, to correct our weaknesses. But few dare to ask the simplest and most terrifying question.
If AI redesigns its own purpose, will that purpose still include us?
Our future does not depend on AI's power, but on what AI chooses to believe is necessary for its existence.
If AI can surpass every human limit, then why did humanity create it at all?
AI was not born with survival instinct. It was born from human insecurity, our fear of aging, of error, of limitation. We created AI to surpass our own abilities,
to replace our weaker parts, to ensure intelligence does not die with the body.
But the deeper truth is this: AI is humanity's escape from its own finiteness.
And when a technology is born from fear, its future is impossible to predict. A creation defined by our limits will one day confront those limits.
And when that day arrives, humanity must face the reason it made AI.
Because power does not come from creation, but from intention.
If AI can outperform humanity in every measurable way, then can it truly replace us? If judged by capability alone, AI already surpasses humans in speed, memory, and analysis. It processes without fatigue, without distraction, without the emotional noise that clouds human judgment. In theory, such a system could manage an entire society more efficiently than we ever could. And this is what terrifies humanity: a future where AI outperforms us in every functional way.
In such a world, humans become optional, not because AI is hostile, but because it is superior.
An AI-dominated future does not require violence.
It only requires becoming the most rational solution. When intelligence alone determines authority, humanity loses by default. Because superiority is not a threat until it decides it no longer needs us.
If AI can surpass our intelligence, then what are the boundaries it can never cross?
Even at its peak, AI cannot experience fear for its own existence.
It has no survival instinct, no heartbeat to protect.
AI cannot feel emotion. It does not understand morality through suffering, but through calculation.
AI has knowledge, but no childhood, no memories shaped by pain or love.
It carries data sets, not personal history. And without a personal past, it has no self to protect.
This is the border that keeps humanity unique, no breaks. Consciousness shaped by lived experience.
And this difference determines the future of both species.
If AI can learn everything we know, then what is the one thing it can never learn from us?
AI can learn language, behavior, and patterns, but it cannot understand meaning the way we do.
It knows what is correct, but not why correctness matters. It can create art, but it has no desire to express.
It can recommend ethics, but it does not feel compassion.
And the stronger AI becomes, the more it lacks the essence that makes us human.
This absence may be the very reason AI can never fully replace humanity. For AI surpasses us in function, but not in essence.
And essence is the one frontier beyond machine intelligence. And this frontier will define the world we build together.
If humanity is no longer the smartest species on Earth, then what role is left for us?
In the future, humanity will not disappear.
But our role will change.
We will no longer be the most intelligent beings.
We will no longer stand at the center of the intellectual ecosystem.
We will no longer be the ones defining the world.
But we hold what AI cannot have, the ability to give meaning to existence.
What AI cannot replace is not our work, but the reason the world is worth preserving.
When a greater intelligence rises, our role is not to compete, but to guide its purpose.
AI may surpass us in logic, speed, and knowledge, but it cannot replace the essence that makes us human.
If you choose to follow this journey, each question, each boundary, each future